Our first project today is the most simple one. I have this denim jacket with this rhinestone fringe all the way across, and I never wear this because the rhinestone is honestly just kind of extra. So all I have to do for this project is remove it, and as you can see, it's just barely sewn on. All I had to do was remove the stitches along the rhinestone fringe, and that was it. Even though this project was extremely simple, it makes all of the difference in my closet, and now I have a piece I'll actually wear. The second project is this quilted jacket, and it's just a little bit too oversized. It's pretty boxy fitting, and I don't really like the shape of it. So my goal for this one is to take in the waist and just add a few darts to make it more fitted. I tried it on inside out, and I really terribly just tried to guess at it with the darts. I did a really bad job pinning them into place, but hey, you know what? Whatever works, right? But clearly this was just way too messy, and I took them out just to make them lay a little bit flatter, and then I sewed them into place. This was a complete and total guess. I feel like I did the most inaccurate job completely possible. I think like I'm just trying to lean into closing my eyes and pretending it all works out. Oh, but hey, did that? So here's the deal about this one. I did not do nearly a perfect job at all, but I still think it worked out. I just wanted to give the jacket a little bit more shape, and I think I've done something here. Even though this is far from a perfect job, I do like how the end product came out. It is definitely a little bit more slim in the waist and has better shape than the before. Our next project is this sheer shirt, and really I just don't like the neckline of this. I'm not much of a turtleneck person, so we're gonna chop it off. That makes no difference. Let's see if the pink will work. I attempted using chalk to draw the neckline that I wanted, but as you could tell, that didn't really work, so I more or less just blindly cut and then did this really sketchy cutting in the mirror. But you know what? It came out pretty great, and I can definitely see myself wearing this version much more than the previous. Our last project is a little bit more dramatic. I have this sheer ruffly skirt, and it's just a little bit too big. I love how it looks, but I think it would look better if I ruched it up and had a higher slit. So we're just starting by first removing the zipper. Then I tried it on to see how much I needed to take in, and I just hand stitched the zipper back into place with just a basting stitch. Oh, also necessary cat playtime. I have the zipper like halfway in. I just did a basting stitch, so it looks really messy still. So eventually I'll get to fixing that, but that's not what we came here to talk about. I want to talk about the front. I'm going to make 2 channels on either side and run a cord all throughout so that I can pull it and make this scrunchy. That way it'll kind of come up higher on my leg, which I want, and try to make the slit a little bit more dramatic. The skirt came with, you know, like the straps that are sewn into clothes to like make it hang? Well, the skirt had those, and I'm thinking about using these for the cord that I put through the channel, or like the ribbon. The first step of making this happen is sewing the little channels. When I got that done, I just fed the little string that I had through the top, and we had to reattach it back to, I don't know, like the top of the skirt. I don't know how to explain this. I just kind of like folded the little bias tape they had at the top back over the fabric and also the string, so it was sewn into place, it was locked, it wouldn't move. I realized that the front piece was just totally split open, so I did connect the two together, and it is a little bit more bulky than I would like, but we're just gonna roll with it. I want to see if my drawstrings work. Oh my gosh, okay, those totally work, and it's all concealed on the inside, so I'll be able to tie this and it'll just be hidden inside the skirt. But I'm gonna try this on and kind of find the drawstring length that I prefer. Oh my gosh, okay, wow, these have all gone so smoothly today. Are you kidding? I am so in love with this. This is like the most fun skirt. I am obsessed. Okay, I really just have to fix the zipper desperately bad, but that's it for this one. I am in love with how this skirt came out. I have already worn this out and about, and it's probably my new favorite piece in my closet. That is gonna wrap up our little closet upcycle. I hope that this inspired you to maybe do those little fix-ups on the pieces in your closet if you are in need of doing that like me. And until next time, bye friends.
I see you.